Hey everyone. So I'll make a video here which is, I guess you can call it part scrapping, part making more than scrap value. I picked up this PC before that hard drive was there. I didn't have one, so it was pretty much the motherboard, the memory, CPU, and the DVD drive. Picked it up for only $1, so I was thinking of scrapping it. Scrap value would probably be a couple of bucks anyway, nothing too major, but I noticed that there was a half decent computer, like someone who just wants to surf the net and everything should do the job for them. It has about 4 gigs of memory and an Intel Core Duo CPU. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back together with all the other scrap parts I have and see if I can sell it. So I'll put it together and continue this video, see where it goes. Okay, so I'm just continuing my video. So like I was saying, I was gonna show you guys how to make extra money from your scrap stuff. So like I said, I picked up this PC here. It was complete garbage, like you can say that. I picked it up for free. They gave it to me. It's a half decent computer, perfect for someone who wants to surf the net. Just very basic things. Use Word and Office, and very light things like that. It has a Core 2 Duo processor, 4 gigs of RAM. Works well. I also picked up a bunch of these video cards. One of the video cards doesn't work. With the other one I can't test because it has a weird a port that I don't have a cable for, so I can't test it. And then I got this guy here, which seems to be working. And because I tested it and I know it's working, I can probably sell it for 10 to 15 bucks instead of scrapping it for gold recovery and everything. So like you can see, the video is working fine. It was just you just had that little loading screen, little loading bubble for Windows. Like you can see, it works great, no issues. All I did was pick up the PC. It had the motherboard and CPU inside and the memory. And I just installed 2 hard drives, a 320 gigabyte and a 200. I'm gonna remove the video card. I just put it in there to test it, so I'll make 10 bucks off that. The PC itself really depends on the market. I have these used screens that I haven't done anything with for over a year and a half. I know they work, so I'm thinking of putting the screen with the computer, put it for 50 bucks, see what happens, I should be able to get 50 bucks for it. It'd be surprising if I don't. So I picked up something for free, put in maybe 20 minutes of my time to plug in the components, let Windows install, and that was it. Running PC, working pretty solid. Someone's gonna pick it up. So instead of scrapping it and maybe getting $3 of scrap, let's say, with the hard drives, the platters, the boards and whatnot, can't be more than $3. Let's say $4. But not more than that. So by fixing it up, testing the cards, the video cards I picked up, I'll make 50, 60 bucks. And even if let's say it didn't run that well, you have the memory here, the 2 gigabyte sticks, even that's worth something, maybe 10 bucks. So just testing things a little bit before scrapping will give you more than scrap value. And like I said, I picked this up either for free or for $1 or something from a junk pile, and it works great. And yeah, now I'm gonna make an easy 50 bucks, maybe 60 with the video card. And then I have scrap video cards like this one. This one, I don't have a, like I said, I don't have a port, sorry, a cable to test it. So this might actually be working, but no way of knowing. I also have this guy here, which I did test and is dead. I was getting lines and stuff on the screen. So this one's dead, so this is going to be scrap. Don't know what, I guess it's would be considered a peripheral board. So it should bring, I doubt it's a pound, so maybe like 60, max 70 cents. I don't know. I'd have to weigh it. So if this card was working, it would have been 10 bucks. Now I'm going to scrap it for 70 cents. So it kind of sucks. So take the time sometimes to test things out, see if anything works, because you'll definitely make more than scrap value. Hopefully you guys like this quick little video. And when I do sell it, I'll probably post something in the messages. Or sorry, not the message, but in the description, saying that I sold it for 50 or whatever it is I sell it for, 75 the monitor. So yeah, like and subscribe if you guys have any comments. Wonderful. Suggestions, wonderful. Sorry, I was choking there a little bit. Yeah, so see you guys soon. And if I don't put up a video before Christmas, have a Merry Christmas. See you guys.